Pertama, colors around US colors poem red, blue, yellow, green. So many colors to be seen. The sun is yellow, the sky is blue, flowers bloom, and so do you. Leaves are green, flowers red, colors are everywhere, just like we say. Kedua, animal fan animals poem the dog barks, the cat says meow, the horse runs fast, the elephant goes wow. Cow gives milk, rooster greets the day. Animals make fun in every way. Come along, let's play and run. Animals and kids together have fun. Ketiga, morning joy morning poem. The sun is up, a brand new day. Flowers bloom and the breezes play. Birds are singing songs so sweet. Smiles on children's faces. Oh, what a treat. Wake up, kids. It's time to cheer. A happy morning is finally here. Keempat, sweet world sweet poem chocolate, candy, jelly, and cake. Every happy moment we get to take. Play, run, and sing a song. Colorful moments all day long. With friends around, the day is bright. A world of sweetness, full of delight. Kalima, flying dreams dreams poem. Birds fly high in the blue sky. Dreams of children reach just as high. Dream big, and shine so bright. Spread your wings and take your flight. In the journey of dreams, keep moving along. Every new day brings joy and song.